Where are all the things that I want? Oh, what was that huge finger? Ah! Oh, there's that pepper. Oops. Oops. I'll have to go pick it up. Go along, Thomas Roomba. My Thomas Roomba. Oh, thank you, Thomas Roomba.
We want to listen down.